Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install Anaconda in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Anaconda. You'll be getting the official link. Click it, and here to the top we are having this free download. Select it, and here we are having the skip registration. Click here, and in the download page, if you scroll down, here we are having distribution installers. So here we are having for Windows, and it is about 900 MB in size. So you can just directly click on download over here, and the download will be getting started. Just be patient till then. Once the download is complete, just open it, and you will be getting the Anaconda setup. Just click on next and just read the agreement. Click on I agree and install just for me. Next. And this is going to be the location where Anaconda is going to get installed. I would recommend you to install this in local disk D or E because it kind of occupies a lot of space. So after selecting the location, just select next, and I will just leave it with the default things and click on install. Once the installation is complete, just select next and click on next again, and just select launch. You can just uncheck this one and click on finish. So this is the interface that you will be getting, and as you can see, they are having these many applications like Python. If you want to install Anaconda AI Navigator, you can install this, and by default they come up with Jupyter Notebook. So if you want to use Jupyter Notebook, you can just click on launch. So I'll be getting the Jupyter Notebook interface like this. Here I will just go with new. If you want to upload, you can just upload. That's up to you. I will go to new, select Python, and I'll be getting the .ipynb file over here. Here we can run any Python code. For example, I'll just go with print hello, something like this, and run. So I'll be getting the output, and by default it also gives us a shortcut for Jupyter Notebook. So if I go here and search for Jupyter Notebook, I'll be getting this. You can just select pin to taskbar and you can directly open Jupyter Notebook. So that's the video, guys. I hope you have found it useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.